We are pleased to show you 2004 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.8-liter engine, and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, daytime running lights, power brakes, Inside you'll find cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console, center console. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.